For the tools and techniques you need to make or repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more, this is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to set a twist turn lock. This rainbow lock is a great addition to handbags, pouches, wallets, and lots of different accessories. You'll need to start with the right tools. Get your material, whether it's a bag or leather. We're going to be using a piece of scrap leather for demonstration. You'll need a cutting block, X-Acto knife or blade, a leather awl, screwdriver, rawhide mallet, and an adjustable slot punch. To punch the right size hole in your material, you're going to adjust the slot punch. With a screwdriver, loosen the slot punch and adjust the drivers so they match the width of the prongs on the turn lock. Then we're going to set the inside turn. The turn will be nestled into the outside of the lock. Use a slot punch to punch a hole in the leather. Position the punch and hit with a hammer. Make sure the punch goes all the way through the material. Then insert the washer over the prongs and fold them down over it. Next, we're going to cut a hole in the leather. Use the outside piece of the turn lock to make an outline as a guide to where you will need to cut the material. I used a leather awl to trace the inside of the lock. But turns out it's better to trace the outside. That's okay. Just a few minor adjustments and we're good to go. Now we set the turn lock. Insert the outside piece of the lock into the leather. Use a screwdriver to set the screws. For extra security, you can use Loctite glue here as well. And there you have it, how to set our P004IR turn lock. Try for yourself. Find all these tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.